Hi guys, so this is gold analysis. If you watch my previous analysis on gold, you will know I've been anticipating a sell move on gold, but we have not been selling on gold, right? We've been buying. So let's now see, but I'm still expecting a sell on gold, to be honest, right? Because of the pattern it's forming, but there's a possibility that it's trying to at least get to this level right here. It's trying to get to this level right here before we now push down, right? That's a possibility. Yeah, so let's see how that goes then, since it's trying to get to that level, right? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see. So let me draw a trend line here. And the trend line can be here. So what are we expecting, right? We might be expecting, since we're still on a buy trend, to this level right here, right? Yes, so I'm expecting, you can see there's a break of structure here. You can see there's a break of structure around this level right here. There's a break of structure here, right? So there's a possibility we might just drop down to this break of structure right here, then we push up, right? That's a possibility. And there is another possibility that we can see this candle right here, right, broke that structure, broke the zone right here. So we might come down then to retest before we push down. That's also a possibility. So let me just picture this scenario right here. Since there's a break of structure here, right? So we might possibly just push down to this level right here, something like this. Then we finally push down to push up, to our target. So this can like give us, if we draw a trend line, so this like give us a first touch, a second touch, and a possible third touch, right, to push to the upside. So those are my scenarios on gold so far. So we just have to wait and see what it gives us, right? So because we can see right here, right, we see a break of structure right here, then we saw a retest with this candle at the middle here. We tested this candle, then we push up, boom, then there is another break of structure around this level, and we haven't retested it yet, but it broke structure here and it came down to retest just this part, then it moved up. There's a break of structure here as well, so we might just get to retest this structure right here before we now push up. But if it's break structure here, right, before we push up, but if it's going to push at least to this level right here, we should be seeing a break of structure above that, right? So maybe something like this, right, to the side. Then if we break the structure, there is a probability that we might be coming to this break of structure to retest before pushing up. So we should just be expecting, if we break structure right here, we should be expecting like a simple retest, so it can give us a lower high, right, a lower high at this level right here, then to push down, right? So it will be given like a complete direction, an impulse, correction, and a continuation. So that's a complete direction. So that's just the scenario I'm picturing, right? So when it gets here, I might just continue to like push up to this level right here. And if you zoom in, right, there's also a probability we might get down to this trend line right here, right? So I'm just going to give you the scenarios I'm picturing in my head, right? So there is a probability that we might push to this trend line right here, to touch this trend line right here before we now push down. So that's my overall scenario on gold. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.